What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Hakakat witri unai cipau kawaman kasngi wawai pajba Prime Minister Geri Narendra Modi ya skim PM Dhanya Krishi Yojana hakaci sepatali ki distrik Yonggeri West Jaiñtia district le kam kawi napyrdi ki sepatali ki distrik Hageri da chah jied ko boyo ya gani skim hei wada chimben talang ki usaki ye wai Modi lengba ke internet hakayalang wada penman daga yung krek kam ke Krishi Vigan Kendra Jaiñtia district ko wa emachnong wa yejer chirup ikrek lang ke chnat agriculture wa horticulture ko West Jaiñtia district kani skim PM Dhanya Krishi Yojana to ko wada mang terpang nei benta ki warep yo yarap yaki hei rukom wa pher iwa yato wa ikam rep kam riang Hagani kasngi wai pajba Narendra Modi de emlang ka vivo tulu keso SDO Sardar West Jaiñtia district kam ka kongsan he emlang ki saheb wapai yerep iriang kam ka em marbo Deputy Director of Agriculture Agronomy Directorate of Agriculture Shillong kadi thaba Joint Managing Director MGSFEC Directorate of Horticulture Shillong KSE Kenjing kam ka District Horticulture Officer West Jaiñtia Hills ke keso tengah District Agriculture Officer West Jaiñtia Hills ki paj warep wa kiwi ki saheb iong kachnat irep iriang hawa ye kelam hagani kasngi onggi wa ipelaj pajba ya gani skim to wakwa ka sarkar wa waro ki warep uyo mentoy ki heliang irep iriang wo yarap le kamon open mkam de ki kor ki bor hawarem wo ki sembe warap bhah wo ki sbo na jrong wo pelai yaw ya ki marem Heju ipor onggi na jrong ka PM Dhanya Krishi Yojana hagani ka juk kasngi da wai le ya ka Pulse Mission wa ya to wa irep ya udai de wa penhe i yarap khnang yo yi upen mi bun jat ki kenjadai neliang ka gongsan hawa kalam ongko ka West Jaiñtia district to ka thain wa biang ha irep iriang tang wa mat won ko katukani e ikho he ya to wa pen mi sembe nei te i wom biang ka ya ka han i thau wa bu ya ki marem tang wagani man le ka kabu ya ka district yoku ko hairep iriang we ka thong to uman ko ye ule bha kam te kentu haro ka yaki saheb ka chnat irep iriang wo yokhun bha hajrong ura ye nam ka district hakmat do he to wa irep iriang ipin ku ye kamai iyo ki warem ne bha wa man le ka district wa biang bha iman ilong isun benany khana haro ko wa ne liang ki bor district le daw sedang no ki ya ka district level committee de bo tholat ule iyi re iyi he to wa im kam ka district kam iyi e wamat ka district we iyi we ule yopen bahaya rep iriang
to nga manoga wina ka ICRP yung natural farming ka wa the joyo training ka monu rep klem dawai te I haga natural farming I have emi kende ligi kendon wa have bot ite to nokong to ka list pa androposan sngi have bot have thungi wa ro chisnem Kawa arwan hab iu thung bon jaj ki jaj johor hagi kper yung I mut kentu we I to thungi bon jaj ki jaj johor hak per im to thungi do chi jaj I bon sen man de thung johori mut wo wit I wo pen kho ju ye gap tu thungi do chi jaj haga natural farming kentu we I wa to I hab thungi bon jaj ki jaj johor kawale wan mulching kate mut mandat thungi MK mu temoi yaki trejor yaki khandau kate to yo yada go ni ke benta ki ka khandau yo lai ko terkhong man dat kasngi itu ki pngit jing im ki em hapoh le yo im gi yo penman sbok gi ya khandau yo ujhor yong ile yo manu wa seiso wa miet wa bha to wasowan low tillage tentu I hab man de po im to po re chapo man wa to em gi gi phit jing im gi I wom yiu yo de gi khamat kam gi wi le man de po wa chapo de dau yap gi do kut gi dam ye de gi pen spoil kan dau yang I kata ga number 4 kata mut tentu I mhoi po I hado chapo ore man de thung gi gi jor te ga wasan wan kata ga local seed kate mut kentu I mhayu mut kentu I to pelang sembe de yo I na kper I hi Bonsin I kam ginong remau tang kat sembe tersol amyeyu upen lang te kentu ye I upen lang I kat I sembe ki yo I na kper yong I te yo I le jo por yo usam ya ki win nei bhah kan ni ka local sit man de jo rep inong te yo ni to sembe wa man bhah chnong I te yo usai yo upen mi bon te kentu ko ye I wa have you pelang ya ki sembe la.
One of the best performing districts. So I think that should be a target that we should all focus upon, the state as well as the district in particular. I would like to urge the department, the officials also, to focus on becoming one of the best performing districts in the state in terms of agriculture, in terms of improving the income of the farmers, the productivity of the farmers. We have a lot of potential, West Jaiñtia Hills in particular. We have a good climate, this proper conducive soil, conducive weather, a lot of opportunities, very hardworking farmers. So this is an opportunity for us. So this will be giving a lot of benefits for the farmers in particular. This scheme, this PM DDKY, this focuses on converging all the major agricultural schemes, the PM Kisan, PM Fasal Bima Yojana, Krishi Sinchai Yojana for crop insurance, for the micro irrigation benefits. So it will be combining and converging all these schemes together under this particular scheme. And at the district level also, we will be setting up a district level committee that will be also creating a district action plan that will be focused on the requirements of the district, what are the particular issues that the district is facing, and what is the way forward to improve the farmers' productivity. And for the farmers, as mentioned earlier also, this will be benefiting. This will also provide access to better quality seeds, crop diversification, also encourage organic farming. It will also improve the storage facilities, the post-harvest infrastructure. So there are a lot of benefits for the farmers as well. And therefore, I would like to urge all the departments, even the collaboration with the Krishi Vigyan Kendras, the various self-help groups, the farmers, producer organizations. So if we can all collaborate with the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Horticulture, so that we can work on improving the status of the district from the current status to becoming one of the best performing districts in agriculture. If we can double the farmers' income, if any particular farming is earning, say 10,000 in a particular month, if we can increase it to 20,000, basically improving and doubling the farmers' income, improving the productivity. We have a lot of potential also. For example, the Lakadong turmeric, which is GI tagged. We have a lot of new crops that can also be introduced in terms of diversification. And at the same time, since we're also launching the Pulse mission today, this can also have a lot of potential in improving the nutrition capacity of the people also. So I hope that we can focus and work hard on this, collaborate together, and make sure that we are improving the status of the district to become one of the best performing districts in agriculture, not just in Meghalaya, but hopefully in the country as well, that it should be one of the good performing districts. So with this, I will end my speech. Thank you everyone for your cooperation, for your hard work, and I wish everyone all the very best for the future as well. Thank you.